My name is Dr. Beatriz Currier. I'm the Medical Director for the Cancer Support Care Services at Miami Cancer Institute, Baptist Health, South Florida. There was a patient that I've treated for many years who was diagnosed with late-stage lung cancer, who went through a lot of adversity through her treatment. One of her goals was to make it to her grandchild's 5th-year birthday party, and we were able to do that, and I was inspired by her strength. We realize that cancer impacts not just the patient, but the entire family, and their needs need to be assessed and addressed by our services. Our services will constantly be monitoring the patient and the family to ensure that patients are coping well, as well as the children and their caregivers. Compassion and empathy are absolutely critical in taking care of our cancer patients. They go through tremendous turmoil, and cancer can rock their foundation of their life. So to be able to understand that and to help them cope with this and adapt to this diagnosis and the treatment is pivotal.